Hey there, this is Andy Nadler with Wicked Reports. This video, we're going to talk about killing active waste. Let's just face it, not every campaign earns its keep. Wicked Reports gives you a kill active waste view, auto-generated, pre-filtered, and ready to save you time and money. What used to take hours digging through data, you can now do in seconds. Today's topic, kill active waste, is part of a weekly routine for the strategist and a tri-weekly routine for the media buyer. It relies on the Kill Active Waste view to be in your account. Kill Active Waste is one of the views an effective Wicked Reports power user will use regularly to make intelligent, quick decisions. I'm going to show you how to run the Find Active Waste routine to kill wasted ad spend fast and efficiently. I do want you to keep in mind that the 5 Forces AI can do this for you. You can simply click the 5 Forces analysis within Funnel Vision and go to the 5 Forces page. It will run this for you every day, or you can run it at will whenever you like. This training focuses on the Kill Active Waste view. The view is already installed in your account and showing as a tab inside your Funnel Vision report. If you do not see the Kill Active Waste tab, search for the view in the Home tab dropdown. And if you can't find the view, you could just create it by clicking the plus view button and go to the 5 Forces category. You're going to find the Kill Active Waste view template and simply click Create this view. From the modal, just leave everything as is and create the view. And once it's created, the view will be pinned to the top of your Funnel Vision report. The Wicked Reports operating system has 3 major components: measure, signal, and action. This training focuses on action. We're going to discuss how to get team alignment on making kill decisions for your campaigns. This is the kill bucket in the 5 Forces AI report. Now back to our view. Scroll to the bottom. Each of these campaigns listed is in the kill zone. So let's talk about what that means for a moment. It's going to make your marketing attribution life a lot easier. Budget optimization strives to classify each campaign's primary KPI into one of 3 buckets: scale, kill, or chill. Scale means increase the budget, chill means keep it as is, and kill means decrease the budget unless you can diagnose and fix it. With ROAS, the higher the number, the better. Above the chill zone means we would scale the budget. The chill zone means leave it as is. Below the chill zone would mean kill the budget, unless you can find adjustments to lift the ROAS to the chill zone. Note that if you're optimizing for CAC or NCAC, it's going to switch these. The kill zone would be on top due to higher cost being undesirable, and the scale zone would be on the bottom as we aspire to a lower customer acquisition cost as a measurement of success. So going back to our view, this campaign list is in the kill zone. Let's look at what filters made them land in the kill zone and how to adjust it for your own brand's goals. So we'll click on the filters button. This is going to bring up the default filters for the Kill Active Waste view. The initial default for Facebook is to have a ROAS less than 1. This may not be the right number for your company goals, so you have 2 initial decisions to make to customize this view. The first one is whether or not to keep ROAS as the primary metric to measure Facebook campaigns for budget decisions. Keep in mind that this is the Wicked Reports attributed ROAS, not Facebook reported ROAS. If you prefer to use CAC or NCAC, find them in the dropdown and choose that field instead. For this example, we're going to keep ROAS. The second decision is to set that boundary of your kill zone by updating the less than value. This value will tell Wicked Reports to put any Facebook campaigns under this ROAS amount on the view for Kill Active Waste analysis. And if you make a change, make sure you click the Save Changes to View button. All right, now our Kill Active Waste view shows campaigns from Meta that have a ROAS less than 2. Let's rename this view to indicate that it is specifically for Meta. You're going to click on the 3 dots to the right of the view name and choose Edit. Edit the name to add, -meta as a suffix, for example, and then click Save and Apply. To set this up for other high budget channels, click on the 3 dots to the right of the view name again and select Duplicate. You're going to edit the name by removing the word copy and then changing Meta to Google, for example. This could be for any channel, but for our purposes, we'll just say Google. Then go to the filters and change the channel to Google Ads. Now click Create and Apply View. Our new view is now created and pinned and has identified all Google campaigns with a ROAS below 2. As an alternative option to approach your kill ad spend view routine is to keep one view and simply use the filters to toggle between the channels. This approach is for channels with smaller budgets or teams. In that situation, only create a dedicated kill ad spend view for the highest budget channels. The kill campaigns identified are underperforming according to your key metric and the boundary point you set for the kill zone. However, we do have a process to diagnose and improve these campaigns using 5 strategic areas of optimization. You can watch our Diagnose and Improve training video to learn how to read the signals from your data to diagnose what needs repair. An additional training video in the series is Advanced Funnel Vision Deep Dive. This video will break down customizations and settings to tune funnel vision to your marketing funnel, customer conversion behavior, and new versus repeat segmentation. So, save time, stop waste, fix what's fixable. The Kill Active Waste view is your daily secret weapon.